Alright, how to create a topical authority map for your niche. So simply head over to SEMrush and simply type your keyword. So once you type your keyword, pick a keyword. So I'm picking the low density keyword, which is going to be SEO AI, content writer, SEO impact, or a SEO AI writer itself. So just check it out with this keyword. Let me just wait. So okay, there's no keyword strategy provided by SEMrush right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the other keyword, which is high volume, and we have got the keyword strategy. So what I can do is I can go here and take this keyword AI SEO optimization tools, and here go into the RWAL and click on generate article, and here I input a keyword, click on add keyword, and once I click on add keyword, it's just gonna take and put me in a waitlist, and here I can click on generate article or also edit the input. And what I can do is I can also include the keyword here. So let me just take the remaining keywords: SEO writing, content writing tools, paste it, and then SEO content writing tools, AI SEO software, add keyword, paste it, paste AI SEO writing tool. Click on save changes, and once I click on save changes, hit the generate article, and it's just gonna write a full topical authority content. And if you want to know topical authority map, you can just take those keywords and go into the ChatGPT and just type topical authority map for AI SEO writing. That's it. It's just gonna do the job. So once I hit enter, and just like that, we have got the pillar main topic and AI SEO writing subtopics. We have got all the subcontents. So this is it.